Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise to Allah. All praise is due to Allah, Lords of the worlds. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin, sovereign of the day of recompense. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. It is you we worship and you we ask for help. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. Guide us to the straight path. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Ameen. The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who have earned your anger or of those who are astray. Ameen. صدق الله العظيم.